how to find saved events on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find saved events on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click this three lines, this one in the top corner, and after you click on it just go down until you find saved and click on it, and then just click all types and select here this one events, and here you can find your saved events. There's nothing here because I don't have any saved events. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.